This is just a quick video on how to create a profit and loss statement or do some financial analysis from bank statements that you've downloaded from internet banking to Excel. So oftentimes you might not be running a Xero file or my file or whatever, and you just want to quickly put together a profit and loss statement. So if you download your bank statement to Excel, it's going to look something like this. The description is going to be a bit longer, but I've just put in some dummy ones here. And obviously it's going to be a lot longer in terms of the number of transactions, but this will do for now. So we've got all these transactions in here. So this is the description that's come on the bank statement. So all we need to do is in another column here, just write what the description is for. Now to make this quick and easy, you can sort by column C. So I'm just going to data sort. You sort by description, then we get everything together. So we know that an EFT, in this instance, is sales. Fuel, we just keep as, say, motor vehicle expense. That down, and then office work. So we've got office expenses or printing and stationery, whatever you want to use. Transfers. So for a profit and loss statement, we don't have to worry about transfers. So if you're a sole trader, you don't have to worry about that. And so Bunnings might be repairs and maintenance or whatever it is. So copy that down. So now we've got the account for all our transactions. So all we have to do now is highlight everything. So we've highlighted all the cells. So for this, we do need column headings. If we go to insert, and then we click on pivot table, and just click on here, existing worksheet and location. We'll just click there. It doesn't really matter where you click. And click OK. Now, if you click on account, so account's going to rows, and then the amount's going to values, and so it's summed everything up here. So nice and quick. And for the profit and loss statement, we've got to do a couple of things. We can just copy this, because if you apply a formula to a pivot table, say to get the net amount at a GST, and you copy this down, it still refers to this cell here, so it's a bit annoying. So you just got to do, you can do this, just copy that, and then you can work with these cells. So this is the gross amount, so I've got GST net divided by 11. And then we've got the net. So these are the figures we can then use for the P&L, and if we want, we can just do something like this. So we don't have to worry about transfers for a profit and loss statement. So we can play around with this, and so if we just want to copy the values, or we could, yeah, do whatever we like, really. Whoops, going a bit too fast here. Oh, there we go. So we've got that. And sales, so if we stick sales up the top, and then we've got our expenses, get rid of all these decimal points, and then we can quickly work out our profit and loss.